How do I persuade myself when reason denies that I am? When my senses deny that I am? Well, if I know that I am all imagination, can't I imagine it? Can you conceive of any hypothesis in this world that our great scientists have ever conceived that wasn't sheer fancy? Every hypothesis of science began with fancy. Suppose it were true. It seems as though it ought to be true, they would say, but they have no evidence that it is true. It began with fancy. Then they experiment. I wonder if it's true. Well, now you try the same thing. I wonder if it is true if I assume that I am what I would like to be, and sustain that assumption if it would harden into fact. Well, try it. You're told in Scripture that it will. You're told that whatever you believe that you have received it. Whatever you desire, believe you have received it, and you will. It didn't say, providing it's good, providing it's this, that, and the other, that the priesthoods of the world tell you you should. You ask no one permission. Can you believe? Well then, try it. Whatever you desire, believe that you have received it, and you will. That's telling you that an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. That's what it's telling you. Well, now I'll go to bed in the assumption that I am, that those I love are what I would like to be, and like them to be. And then see if my persistency will prove it to be a fact. Well, if it proves it, well then what does it matter what others think? If I have evidence for a thing, does it matter what the world tells me? I will tell it to others in the hope that they'll believe it and become free. But if they don't believe it, at least I've done my duty. I've told them. So may I tell you, you are infinitely greater than you could ever, entombed as you are, know yourself to be. It's only when you break the doom and come out do you really realize who you are.